Congratulations on making the decision to work on your personal credit. The name of the program you're going to hear about is called Freedom Wealth. This program is a comprehensive financial solution that'll help you get to the next level. Do you need help getting approved for a home or an apartment? Do you need help getting approved for a brand new car? What about a credit card or a personal loan? Are you a business owner or entrepreneur looking for a business loan? Well, this program can help you get there. Now, for the sake of time, I won't go over every section of this program, just the main meat and potatoes, which is the score path. Now, the score path encompasses a monitoring tool, a software that'll help you dispute late payments, charge-offs, collections, student loans, repos, evictions, foreclosures, you name it, that's on your credit report. You also can initiate the credit attorney and you get a chance to build positive credit with our build credit account. Now, once you get enrolled, you'll be prompted to import your credit reports. Now, you can't use any other software but our ID Club. This will allow you to be able to see in real time what's on your credit report and what's hurting you. Now, I'll go over costs at the end, but I want you to know this in itself is a powerful tool. Now, the ID Club, as I mentioned, will monitor everything, pull into the platform your current items that's on your credit report, whether it's late payments, whether it's charge-offs, whether it's collections. It will be able to be identified with this program. Now, not only will you get a chance to see what's on your TransUnion and your Equifax, but you will see what's on your Experian. If you've ever used a platform called Credit Karma, like I used to use, you notice that you only can see what's on your TransUnion and Equifax. With this ID Club, you will be able to see everything that's on your credit reports. Now, in addition, you get access to a ID theft insurance, $1 million. I need you to process that because we've all seen the data breaches. We all know someone who's gotten their identity stolen. So this is a very, very powerful tool. So after the letters are pulled in, your scores will pop up. Then it's time to go to work. As these items are on your credit report, you will have access to disputing all of these closed accounts or anything that's negative that's hurting your credit report. What I love about the AI, it will identify and let you know, hey, here's a negative item that's on your credit report. This can be the potential dispute reason and give you a note on if you should dispute it or not dispute it and the pros and cons. All right. You see that in red writing. Then all you have to do is move the toggle right there where it says dispute this item to the right. And then boom, that's you disputing that item. Okay. This is how it looks when it's green. Okay. If you notice, this is a hard inquiry on this person's credit report. Now, you probably have had hard inquiries on your credit report in your day, but most people don't realize these inquiries are destroying individuals' credit report. Remember, this program does all the heavy lifting. You won't be writing any physical letters yourself. You just got to follow the system and it works. It also identifies duplicates on your credit report. That's another thing that can hurt your score without you realizing. So after you move the toggle over on each negative item, then you generate your letters with one click of a button. Here's what I love about this. You don't have to go to the post office. Within this system, you can get the letters mailed out for you. Boom. This message pops up. The letters are sent out in the mail. You have to give the credit bureaus at least 45 days for them to respond. Now, you will get some type of information through the mail. These are stall tactics. Just stick with the disputes, and I'm telling you, your credit score will increase. And as items fall off, your score go up. It's really that simple. You'll be able to monitor everything that's happening. Okay. You'll be able to track it in real time. There's no one to call. You don't have to email anyone. You just log into the portal 24/7, and you can see everything that's going on. Now, as you can see, there's a lot more. There's the wealth path, there's a life path, there's a biz path. There's a lot here. But I want you to understand if you have negative items on your credit report and you need help with those, enroll on this program. This program is actually getting real results. Now, this is something that so many people need. If you know anyone who needs this, whoever sent you this video, send this to them as well. Because the person that sent you this video is a credit coach and they want to help you get to the next level. Now, what if I told you you could potentially boost your credit score 115 points or 140 points or 197 points? What would that do for you? What if I told you 194 points can change if you're going to get approved or not? You get my point. This is something you need to start working on right now. It's costing you more money by having bad credit. Could 61 points help you get to that next level? What about 118 points? Would 111 points put you in the 600s or the 700s? I don't know, but here's what I do know. 72 points can help you as well. But if you don't start the program, you will never get a chance to see how this can help you. Could you use an extra 147 points? Maybe you need that to get approved so you can get into your first home. Well, I'm telling you right now, don't waste any time. This program is valued at over $3,000. Not only will you have a way to improve your credit, monitor your credit, you get access to a credit coach, but the private community will also help you reach new heights. So the investment into yourself is $220, and then it's $130 a month, no contract. For as long as you need the program, you want to pay that. And I'm going to reiterate, it'll cost you more if you decide to go pay all of these collections and all these things that's on your credit report. It's going to cost you well more than this on the screen. So I highly recommend you take advantage of this program. We also have a semi-annual where you can pay up to 6 months, $497. And then that $30 monthly is just for the ID club so you can continuously monitor your credit. A lot, if not all of our clients, after they're done with the credit program, they continue to keep the monitoring tool because they want to stay on top of what's going on with their credit. That's it. So get back with the person that invited you, and let me show you where to go to get enrolled really quick. Let me share my screen again. Sorry about that. And I need you to realize that people all over the country are looking for this program. So right here, the person that invited you, they'll send you the website. It'll look just like this. Okay, this looks familiar, of course. You're gonna hit enroll. All right. You put your name, first name, last name, phone number, email. There is no promo code. Check these off. You're not a robot. And then once you hit next, you'll get access to seeing the different amounts or the different levels that you can start working on your credit. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I'll see you on the other side.